Hi, I'm Jack Razmich with Razmich & Associates, and today we are going to talk about the consequences if your child gets arrested at a school in Indiana. It's hardly unusual for children to get in trouble at school, but these days, with school shootings and other school violence on the rise, it is increasingly common that zero tolerance policies are having some children arrested too. If your child is arrested in Indiana school, what can you expect? Well, here's a brief look at some of the things that might pop up. Number one, your child could be charged with a crime. An arrest is the act of taking a person into custody. It doesn't necessarily mean the person is going to be charged with a crime. That said, if your child has been arrested, it is a real possibility that the state may charge them. The charges can vary depending on the actions and the circumstances. For example, in 2018, an 18-year-old high school student in Scottsburg was arrested and charged with felony intimidation after posting characters from the Walking Dead video game shooting zombies in his school hallway. In 2017, a 9-year-old autistic boy in Franklin was arrested and charged with battery and criminal mischief for hitting another student and 2 teachers. Being charged with a crime is not the same as a conviction, however. The authorities may decide to drop the charges after further investigation. For this reason, it is absolutely essential that you seek the aid of an Indiana criminal defense attorney for your child as soon as possible after an arrest. Number 2, your child may be taken to an Indiana juvenile intake facility. If arrested for a serious crime, the police may handcuff your child and take them to a juvenile intake facility. An intake officer will assess the offense and determine whether or not your child should be detained, placed on an alternative detention, or released to you as the parent. Regardless of the action the state decides upon, the authorities will notify you and explain the next steps. Number 3, your child may have to go to juvenile court. When serious charges are in issue, the state may file a petition against your child. They will then have to answer the charge in a court of law. If your child is under 16, a judge in the juvenile court will hear the case. If they are over 16, they may be tried as an adult depending on the seriousness of the charges. Certain offenses at the age of 16 or older are directly filed into the Superior Court to be heard as an adult. These can include serious offenses like murder, gang-related activities, certain violent offenses towards others. Other offenses at the age of 16, the state can file what is known as a request to waive the juvenile over to adult court. That is why it is, again, very crucial to have a defense attorney with your child at all times during these proceedings. Number 4, your child may face disciplinary action by the school. In addition to any criminal charges, your child's school may take disciplinary action. The 18-year-old who was arrested for posting a video game, for example, was expelled from school. Schools have used suspension on other children for making threats, intimidation, or having aggressive acts towards others. If the police arrest your child at school, one action you should take immediately is to find the best Indiana criminal defense attorney possible. A good lawyer can make an enormous difference in how the authorities handle your case and ultimately your child's future. Here at Razmich & Associates, we do handle juvenile cases. We fight for everybody. Lawyers ready to fight does not just mean fighting for the people that have easy cases. We fight the hard ones too, including juvenile cases. If you or somebody you know has a juvenile that is in need of good defense representation, please give our office a call as soon as possible at 317-983-5333. We have operators standing by 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, all with the intent and goal of getting you onto our calendar for a free case evaluation. That case evaluation is free. It always has been. It always will be. But the only thing you're investing at that point is your time, and that time will be spent making sure that you get the best information you need going forward so that you are armed with an appropriate roadmap to take care of your future and your child's future. Again, telephone number 317-983-5333, and I look forward to helping you soon. If you like this video, hit the like and subscribe button. If you really like this video, please feel free to share it on the social media platform of your choice. Here at Razmich & Associates, we are lawyers ready to fight. We are fighting for you, for your freedom and your future. The more eyes that we are in front of, the more people we're fighting for. The more people we're fighting for, the freer everybody's future is. If you have a comment or a recommendation for a video you would like me to discuss in the future, please drop a line in the comment section. I hope you found this video informative, and I will look forward to seeing you at the next video. Thanks for watching.